Hi, this is Phil Taylor, PPC strategist, and this is a very quick video on how to make a simple report on age range or gender. I just put this together for my Facebook group, PPC strategists, and I thought I'd share it with you on YouTube as well. So here's how to make a simple report to show performance by age range or gender. You'll click on the Reports tab, which is always visible across the top pane of your Google Ads account. Then from here in the reporting screen, click Custom, and let's make it a bar chart. So let's do age first of all. And just drag in the dimension that you want. So age range here. So the metrics that we're going to want to show performance are cost and conversions, ultimately cost per conversion. If you have revenue data, then you can use those better metrics to get ROI. But in this case, we're going for cost and conversions. Let's grab a much longer time frame. So we'll go from the start of the year. Now, because the scale of these two axes is the same, so this line is twice this line, we can use the relative heights of these bars to get a good idea of where the cost per conversion is better or worse. This is maybe slightly more visually appealing, but of course, to be simpler and give you a straightforward cost per conversion, you can just use that as the metric that you pull in. Then the lower the bar, the better. So we know that in this case, the best value traffic is in this age range, and it pretty much goes up from there. This is a kind of crude aggregate of all the activity in the account, so there are very good reasons for breaking it down, at least by, say, brand and non-brand, and you know, the further you break it down, the more precise you get. But sometimes you do just want an overview, and for most purposes, acting on this kind of overview data is a lot better than not acting. And you can do a very similar thing with other variables. So, yep, quite clearly, better performing traffic from female than from male. And interestingly, the undetermined traffic is again considerably worse. You could do the same thing, of course, for locations or device or whatever variable you want to look at. And these reports in the new Google Ads interface are quite presentable. So that's how you make these simple overview reports. I hope you found this useful. If so, then subscribe to the channel and don't miss any more updates. And take a look at my free Facebook group, PPC Strategists, to get a lot more stuff like this.